Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm diving into one of the most buzzed about releases in the smartphone world, Huawei's Mate X-T Ultimate. Yep, we're talking about the company's first ever tri-fold smartphone, and it's packing some serious heat under the hood. So what's powering this beast? Meet the Kirin 9010 processor. It's an 8-core CPU, blending high-performance and energy-efficient cores, along with the Maliu 910 MP4 GPU for those graphics-intensive tasks. This chipset was made by SMIC, China's top chipmaker, on a 7nm process. And let me tell you, the Kirin 9010 is also in the Pura 70 Ultra, a camera phone known for its stunning imaging capabilities. So you can bet the Mate X-T Ultimate's camera game is strong. Now, let's talk performance. The Kirin 9010 is comparable to MediaTek's Dimensity 8200, which is no small feat, especially considering the challenges Chinese companies face in the global semiconductor market. This means the Mate X-T Ultimate is expected to perform on par with other flagship smartphones out there. But here's where things get spicy. Pricing. At around $3,000, the Mate X-T Ultimate is definitely on the premium end. Some folks are questioning if the tri-fold design and advanced tech justify that hefty price tag. Sure, it's innovative, but is it worth the splurge? Despite the price debate, there's no denying that the Mate X-T Ultimate is a significant release in the smartphone industry. Huawei is clearly pushing the boundaries of mobile tech with this one. Only time will tell how the market reacts to this ambitious device. So what do you think? Is the Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate's tri-fold design and powerful chipset enough to make you fork over $3,000? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech updates. Catch you in the next one. Peace.